Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 674 and today's topic is the contents of results of thesis. What should be the content and what is the result? So as per the Oxford Dictionary definition, we may define results as it is the observation or information what we are getting out of experimentation or some other scientific methods. That is actually results. So result in the case of chemistry, it is the observation, it is the information, and lot of information from every aspect of experimentation is your result. And your result should be in the form of chart, table, graph, and it should be summarized. And your all the experimentation should have very accurate value, and it should not be intermediate or some raw result. No, only when your all the results are correct and you have correct observation, only then you can put in the result in the form of summary. And also in results, your personal observation, your social observation or religious observations are not allowed. You cannot put your own observation without experimentation. That is very important because sometimes some of the PhD scholars, or a master's candidate, they commit this blunder and they sometimes put their own observation without experimentation. No, strictly as per definition, it is the information based on your experimentation. And once you are writing result, first paragraph or your starting of the result should cover first your introduction questions. What are questions raised in your introduction? That should be discussed in result first. First you have to give the information about that, and then later on you can include others. And your result must be the part of your materials, methods, and discussion. It should touch these three sections. And if it is you are not mentioning in result, your experimentation means your methodology, your materials, and it should be well discussed. So that is actually the result. And your result should not be voluminous. All the experimentation, all the observations must be summarized. Your all data, spectral data, chromatographic analysis, all should be summarized. And let me give you one very good example of my own thesis. When I completed my PhD work, one of my uncle asked, when I said that now I have completed my research PhD, everything is okay. So then he asked one question: what is your result and what is your finding? What you have got? And believe me, I was confused. I could not give the reply in one sentence because everything was in my hand. All spectral studies, NMR, IR, UV, mass spectral fermentation, all data, chromatographic examination, their RF values, everything was concluded, but in the form of summary. And on the basis of that summary, my structure was established, elucidated. So it is not like a soap factory that if my uncle is asking, what is your result or what is your finding, I will show that this is the manufactured product. So, not like that. Even if I would have told that I have established this section of one phenol antioxidant, but you have to support it with your all data analysis and spectral studies in the form of summary. So for chemistry results, it is not possible to give in the form of product in one line. It is the summary of your all experimental data, all your spectral data, chromatographic analysis is summarized. So this is very important when we are writing the result. We have to be very accurate and lot of information we have to put, lot of observations we have to put, and then we have to conclude. That is our result. So here I have given one by one point wise the contents of results in the thesis, whether it is PhD thesis or MSc dissertation. Number one, the Oxford Dictionary defines. The definition of Oxford Dictionary, what are results? What is result? Is like that, as an item of information obtained. That is the dictionary definition, as an item of information obtained by experiment or some other scientific method. That is a general definition of your results. But in chemistry, experimentation means observation is also very important. You are putting your observation, like any, if you are getting any color, spot on chromatography, you have to say, yeah, it is dull yellow, it is a fluorescent color. So that is your observation. So the Oxford Dictionary defines results as an item of information obtained by experiment or some other scientific method. And number two, in the context of PhD or MSc, PhD thesis or MSc dissertation, these theses, the results refer to the observation and that have been made during the research work. So once we are doing the chemistry experimentation research, mainly it is your observation what you have got during your research work. That observation you are going to summarize, you are going to put correctly, systematically. Those observations are based on experimentation and candidate has done. So what experimentation you have done, on that basis what observation you have got, that should be put in result. Number three, the result section in the thesis is an important link between materials, methods and discussion. There should be very strong link of your result with your materials, with your methodology and with your discussion. If there is no link between these three sections, your result is incomplete or it is ambiguity is there. It is not perfect. Unless you show the strong link of these three sections, means materials, methods and discussion. That is a very important. Number four, the main purpose of writing results. What is the purpose of writing the results? The main purpose of writing the results is to present your observations in the comprehensive and systematic manner. That is the main purpose of writing your result. It should be comprehensive and it should be accurate, systematic way of writing, so that your examiner or any other person, once he goes through it, he can understand very clearly. So it should be comprehensive and it should be systematic. That is the purpose of writing the result of any thesis. So the main purpose of writing result is to present your observations in the comprehensive and systematic manners, so that examiner or other person can understand result very well. And number five, the result section has to be balanced. The mix of narration, tables, figures and graphs. So your result, should be mixture of narrations, graph and table. All these observations should be supported. Your experimentation should be supported by these. And please do not include your personal I have already told all these points in writing a view. Here in result, your personal, your own or religious, all these observations are not allowed to mention there. That maybe God, according to God, this thing, no. According to Islamic values, no. There's nothing like that. It's my opinion, no opinion. Your every observation should be based purely, accurately on the basis of your experimentation finding. There is no room to put your own observation, your personal observation. No, it is only on the basis of experimentation. So please don't include your personal or own or religious interpretations when summarizing the experimental data. Ensure that your experimental data is accurate and consistent throughout the thesis. It should flow. Your all the data and accuracy throughout your thesis. Number 6. Please do not include the experimental raw data or intermediate data. I have already told you all these points, what it is written. I have already told you that any raw data, intermediate data, incomplete data is not allowed to mention in result unless it is accurate and final. So, raw and intermediate data is not acceptable while we are writing the result. So, experimental raw data or intermediate calculations in the result section, use appendix for providing the master chart. And number 7, present those results first which are relevant to your questions presented in your introduction. So whatever questions are presented in your introduction, first in your result, discuss or write those things. So there should not be overuse of figure and tables, and it should not be abused. Wherever it is necessary, only then we can use the graph, table and chart. Secondly, axis, XY axis, that is independent x-axis and dependent y-axis. So it should be given with units. So these are all we have to take care. So number 8 is use a mix of text, tables and graphs. Avoid overuse and abuse of tables and figures. So you should not abuse tables and figures. Sometimes the PhD scholars and MSc students in their thesis and dissertation, they give lot of tables and lot of figures which are not even required. So please don't abuse. Wherever it is very necessary, only then you give the graph and table. And number 9, organize the experimental data in the result section in a logic order. Your all summarization, organization of your data should be with logic. If it is illogic, no, it is not your result. It should not be mismatched to your experimental observation. It must be with logic. So, organize the experimental data in the result section in a logic order and use past tense when referred to your results. When you are writing results, it should be always in past tense. Because there is nothing to write in future tense, you have already done. So, this mistake should not be there in writing the results. It must be everything past tense. Number 10, the result section is compulsion it is compulsion to include everything and summarize it. Everything means all the information and observation of experimentation. So you are writing all those under compulsion. You have no choice. So the result section is compulsion to include everything and summarize the experimental data collected in the form of observations. So whatever experimental data you are getting, it is everything what you are getting, should be summarized in the form of observation. Your experimentation and your observation, there should not be any mismatch. It should be very clear and accurate. That is your result. It is under compulsion, everything you have to write. And observation using tables, graphs and statistics. Axis. When we are writing axis X and Y, it should have with unit. Should be labeled with specified units. And independent variable is placed on x-axis and dependent variables is placed on y-axis. So with this, your contents of writing the result is over. Is a very clear link of your experimentation and observation, and that should be summarized. And result means, according to Oxford Dictionary, I have already mentioned that you are getting information out of your research work, and that information either on the basis of experiment or some other scientific method. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.